So in ILovePDF, if you want to go ahead and then let's say, for example, secure your account, then you can go around over here onto your profile option right here and then go to account settings. So once you do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that security is an option right here. So here you can see that I can go ahead and then create out a password right here. So I can go ahead and utilize a password right here and save it out right here, just like this, to go ahead and secure out your account. So this is what you have. You can go around over here and change it out, like enter the current password right here, just like this, and then change it out as you like as well. So let's just go around over here. Let's just go ahead and suggest out a strong password right here, and you can go ahead and then update out your password right here as well. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and enable our two-factor authentication if you want multiple layer protection. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on enable. You can go ahead and enter out your password right here. And you can actually go ahead and utilize Google Authenticator in order to go ahead and authenticate your account right here. So for that, you can go ahead and then scan let's say, for example, the authenticator. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to go around over here and then scan this QR code. And then whatever, let's say, for example, the authenticator actually shows up, what you can do is you can go ahead and type it in. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in 686390, which is my code that is given to me. You can go ahead and then enable this out right here. And as you do that, what happens is that the two-factor authentication gets enabled. And whenever you try to sign in now, you'll have to go ahead and enter out those IDs. Let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and log out now, and if I were to go ahead and log in, I can actually go ahead right here and enter out my email right here. I can go ahead and enter out my password. So let's just go ahead and then add my password in, and I'm going to go ahead and click on log in, and then you can see another authentication is asked out right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and then enter that out right here, and as you do that and log in, what happens is that your account will be logged in right here, just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and work around with account security to go ahead and keep your account secure as you like, to keep your files secure that you upload in ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.